Okay, we have our second box.
Wow. Let's see what's in it.
Let's open it up.
Let's open it. Oh, I think so many.
Oh gosh, there's a lot.
There's a lot here.
Oh, help me.
I'll help you.
Thank you. Thank you. Ooh.
Wow.
Oh, there's so many. What is this?
What's that?
Gold collagen ampoule cushion. Wow, even the name sounds very luxurious, doesn't it?
The name is very fancy.
Ooh la la. Wait, does it actually have gold in it?
Don't be surprised, this one contains 24K gold and collagen inside.
Really?
4K gold.
I know, right?
What?
So another factor about this product, it's a GSGS product from US with 8 different colors. So it's made for various skin types and tones.
8 different colors?
Yeah, 8 shades in it.
Oh, is that what the numbers are on top? Oh, if you look on here, there are numbers. So maybe we should line them up.
Actually, as you know, there's a lot of cushions in the market in Korea.
Right.
But I've tried so many of them, but it's kind of hard to find one for me because my skin is kind of dry. And when, for example, if I wanted to try one of them, it's, the color is not matched on my skin. I mean, the tone is not matched for me. And the dewiest one don't last. And the ones with the high coverage is too dry for me.
Well, I hope that we can find the color that matches you as well as one that matches your skin texture.
I'm excited.
So let's look here. We've got fair, pink ivory, beige, natural beige, caramel, mocha, and chestnut.
So it will start it from 0 till 7.
Yes.
So totally we have 8 cushions here, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm so excited.
So I think that we need to open these and first see the texture and how they spread on the skin.
Okay, okay.
Yeah?
Okay, I will start with 0, 0.
Okay. I have...
Wow, can you see we have a free box here?
Oh, 3.
Free, okay.
Oh, so we have
Also-
2 refills,
Yeah.
but inside the case, there is another one already loaded in.
So totally we have a free in the one box, right? Okay, I'm so excited to open it.
Look at the case. That is a beautiful case.
I like the case. It's super fancy. It's white with the gold.
Like, it feels really high quality.
Yeah, it
Even from just opening it and moving it, it doesn't feel cheap at all.
Yeah.
Wow.
As you can see, it's a droplet shade air puff. Actually, it allows to better coverage in the curved areas like nose and under the eyes compared to rounded puffs.
Ah, so you're talking about here, this little part right here.
Yeah, right.
That helps you to get in those creases really well.
Yeah, for example, for these kind of areas.
It feels really good too. It's really cushiony.
I like the, it's like sponges.
Okay, so why don't we swatch your arm? We'll go from 0 to 7 and see which color matches your skin perfectly.
Wow, I will do it.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah, as you can see here, now I swatched all 8 shades in my arms.
Wow, there are a variety of color shades. Of course, Atomy is a global company prepared for everyone worldwide.
Sure. Actually, as you can see here, I think the fourth one here.
Oh, this one here.
Yeah, fourth one will be matched in my skin actually. And we name it beige color. Yeah, they name it beige color. Let me try it in my skin.
Okay, so I believe it's here. 03 beige.
Beige color.
So I will open this for you.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Here we are.
Ta-da. We will try it here. Actually, as you can see here, the effect of the cushion in my skin feel moist and light-handed. And if you need more volume or more coverage, you can stay just like top here, as you can see. And you can see the effect of the collagen here. It's not too dry for my skin.
Wow, that's nice.
Yeah.
It seems like you found your perfect match.
Yeah, I love it. I'm so happy.
Well, I hope all of you are able to try the Gold Collagen Ampoule Cushion, because we are loving it.